So what is a polymorphism? Polymorphism is a Greek word that says many form. The same polymorphism come one interface, multiple method, right? So like steering wheel, you can find in truck also, in normal car also, or maybe van also. So steering wheel is a single entity, but in every scenario it shows a different, form. And same, if I'll took it a real time example, so we are also the example of polymorphism. So maybe your parents calls you with some other name, and you exhibit some different functionalities in front of your parents, where you are, maybe serving them, or maybe, helping them with something else. So your for parents you are different, for your brother sister you are different, for your friends you are different, for your teacher maybe you are different, right? And they call you also with different names also, right? So maybe your parents call you with your correct name, your friends call you with some nickname or pet name, your teacher call you with some other name, right? And in every scenario you shows a different behavior. You are not same with everyone, right? So that shows कि okay, we all are polymorphism. you know in object oriented programming we all are polymorphism, example of polymorphism also. So polymorphism is achieved through overloading and overriding in programming world Java. But yeah, as a concept, polymorphism is just showing a different forms at a different situations, right? So that is polymorphism. uh, Understood basic idea of polymorphism? Yeah, Weber more completely right. Like student, college, son at home, passenger in a bus. So we all shows and exhibit the polymorphism into a different situation. Inheritance. So we all again, because it's object oriented programming, the examples are real world example. So we are beneficiary of inheritance, right? And specifically till the time, what to say, we all exhibit the properties of another object, or maybe our parent classes also, right? So what is inheritance? So inheritance is a process which one object acquired the properties of another object, right? So if we give you an example, real life example, so at your home, uh, you know parents property we use, right? So when we are a kid, what we do, so if your parents are using a car or a bike, right, you also like it, you also start using it. We are already using their house also, right? So we are, as an object, using the properties of different object through classes, right? So that is inheritance. And again, in real life also, inheritance is the same thing. If you are born at your home alone, so you will take care of 100% property of your parents. The moment there is one more object younger than you, or maybe one more object elder than you, your property is divided already. So you can't be having 100% property, right? Yeah, that's the same thing. So and same, matlab, we are the beneficiaries of inheritances. So you know that was a basic example of inheritance. And same way, if you look at it, what are the other properties, right? So if you look at animal class, and in this example, they're showing the animal class also. So there is a mammal, then reptile, there is a canine, there are feline, and domestic is a retriever, poodle, Labrador, golden retriever, and all those things. So what is the common thread? Common thread is animal. So what is the property of animal? Animal eats, animal breathe, maybe a different way, and animal reproduce, animal do basic 4 5 things. Every animal does it, right? And on the basis of that, we started creating the properties. So then we decided कि okay, there will be animal with the four legs. Then there is an four leg animal. There will be a dog will be different. Then cat will be different. In dog there are different classes, or maybe different what to say characteristics, right? Labrador, golden retrievers, and what not they are breeding these days. So yeah, this is inheritance where a class is using the properties from the parent class, or using the property of parent object also, or parent class also. Yeah, so that is inheritance.